Nobody who ever gave his best ended up being disappointed.
My name is Vogel. I'm from Germany, Cologne. I'm a center back and my passion is football. I started as a young kid when I was 4 years old, so I'm just doing the thing that I love. It's just my passion to play football. I can't live without it. I think I'm a good soccer player, so like my role model is Sergio Ramos. I try to play like him. I'm a center back. I have a strong defense, but also a great game with the ball. And yeah, I'm tall, so my header game is strong too.
Mats is a very completely player. His passing game with the right foot is very, very good. And the left foot is good as well. Every club is interested in him. We talked to 3 clubs from the first division, the German Bundesliga. All of the clubs told us that they want Mats because of his game view. He's seeing everything in the games. He has got a very, very good anticipation in the game, what is for a defender very, very important. He always sees the right man and brings very, very good long balls from the defense over 1 or 2 lines, so that the team is coming in a very, very good opinion to score a goal.
I want to go to the US because I think I can combine my passion with the academics, so it's a good combination there. I can do the thing that I love, have fun, meet new people, collect experience, become a better player.
Nobody who ever gave his best ended up being disappointed. Set your goals high and don't stop till you get there. Never be satisfied with what you already achieved.
The quotes just keep me motivated, like quotes from Kobe Bryant, Michael Jordan, some of the greatest athletes of all time. They worked harder than anybody else. I want to be like them a little bit. They are successful people, they achieved things I want to achieve. Kobe Bryant is a big inspiration. I wrote my term paper about him, about his mentality, and yeah, it keeps me motivated. But also Tom Brady, he's a leader. I'm the captain of my team, so yeah, try to be the type of leader like him.
I talked to one of his old coaches. He told me when Mats is there, when there's a game or when there's a training, every player gives more than 5% more than when Mats is not there, because of his mentality is so brilliant.
I'm not doing that for the money like other kids. I started as a young kid, it's the love of my life, and now I can't live without it.
Giving up is not encrypted in my DNA.